This is how to set up this problem on Aleks, where you've got two data sets instead of statistics. And it's question number 3. Your numbers might be a little bit different, but it says in an agriculture experiment, the effects of 2 fertilizers on the production of oranges were measured. 12 randomly selected plots of land were treated with fertilizer A. 8 randomly selected plots were treated with fertilizer B. The number of pounds of harvested fruit was measured from each plot. Following are the results. Now, this is not matched pairs. There's not the same amount of data in each group. It's not before or after. It's 2 independent samples. And how you're going to do this, when you go to stats, you're going to type in fertilizer A and value in the first column. And I want you to pause the video, and once you finish that, I want you to go over to 2 and type in fertilizer B. All right, once you've got it typed, I've got fertilizer A in value 1 and fertilizer B in 2. It says, explain why it's necessary to check whether populations are approximately normal. And it's because your sample size is small. We need to check that the populations are normal. Following are the box plots of these data. Is it reasonable to assume that the populations are approximately normal? I'm going to show you on the calculator how they got that. If you go to graph and box plots, it automatically pulls them up. Okay, so based on them, I don't see any outliers, so I'm going to say it is reasonable. And it says on the next one, construct a 90% confidence interval for the difference between the mean yields for the 2 types of fertilizer. So what I'm going to do on my calculator, I'm going to go to my inference, and I'm doing an interval, and I'm doing 2 means, and I'm doing a t interval. And I'm going to show you how to pull up the data set. So I'm going to use a data set. And the first data set is from the first column. So see how it says at the top, V1, N1. Okay, then I'm going to go to next. The second data set, you want to hit enter and go up here. When I hit enter, it made that, it clicked on that and change this to V2. That's going to pick up that second column. And then I'm going to go to next. And I want 90% confidence. I'm going to change this to 90. And there's all my data that it's pulled up. And there's my confidence interval. So there's my margin of error, my confidence interval. The confidence interval is 25.5202, and it says round to 1 decimal place. So 25.5, and my second one is 72.7. Now your numbers might be different, but the problem would be like that.